Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Sharatti. Today you learn how to find out specific food additives which are permitted to add into the food products and its specific limits as per in Codex. During the preparation of the food product, number of additives which are added, but it is very difficult to find out which food additives are permitted for a specific food products and its specific limits. For the preparation of the standard product as per the specific norms must require two specific name and the specific limit for a specific food product. It is very difficult to search and find out that in Codex given the database, it is very simple method to find out that specific additives and its limit. Let's start. Food additives online database. You can log in by using any browser. Type GSFA online. GSFA online. Then enter. This is the official website of the Codex. The main website is Food Agricultural Organization. GSFA online food additives index. GSFA, that means Codex General Standard of Food Additives. Then logging this website. This is the Food Additives Codex database. The all additives which are permitted, these are all additives are given in alphabetically. You can find out through directly logging specific on that alphabetically. At the bottom, all database are given in details. GSFA, that on the basis of their specific food category, on the basis of their food additives, then search, then function classes. These are the categories are given. You can find out by using the search. Then click on the search. Then automatically open the database with search engine. A database search engine providing the all details, the specific name of that additives, specific category of that food product, INS number and the functional classes of that food additives. For example, if you want to specific food product which additives are permitted, for example in cake, then type the specific product or the category of that product, then search, then you will get a food categories. These are the categories in which the cakes, cookies, these are the categories. Then after that clicking, you will get these additives are permitted for a specific this food product, these additives, name of all additives and their maximum level permitted for addition, and also providing the specific note related for that specific food additives. In this way you can find out all additives for a specific food product. Then second example, if you find out the specific name of that additives on the basis of INS number, then type the number of that additives, for example 211, then click search. The 211 INS number for sodium benzoate and the detail of that sodium benzoates are provided at the bottom. You can search the specifications of sodium benzoate. The sodium benzoate, the all detailed specifications are given here. In this way you can find out the food additives, INS number, their specific name and the detailed specifications. Third one is the example is functional classes. The functional classes for a specific the food additives role, on the basis of their role they are classified. You can find out specific functional classes. For example, if you want to emulsifier agents, then click on the emulsifier and then search, then you will get the all emulsifying agents. For example, agar is this emulsifying agent, then click on agar. You will get the detailed agar for a specific food product. On the basis of their specific food product and how much agar is added on that product is you can find out. For example, agar for example fermented milk. This fermented milk in which agar is added as per good manufacturing practices, and note 234. You can read this note. 234 note is for use as a stabilizer or thickening agent only. In this way, you can find out any food additives for a specific food product, permitted food additives and its limit is find out on the GSFA database, Codex Food Additives database. Thank you very much